Well, good morning from Barcelona. We are on Las Ramblas this morning. It's Sunday morning. We're getting onto the ship soon, just waiting for the cab to pick us up. But I wanted to walk down Las Ramblas and show you guys what's going on down here. This is kind of like the Champs-Élysées of France, or the Central Park, not Central, but Times Square uh, portion of New York City. So this is a lot of foot traffic down here. It's usually really, really nice, but there's a bunch of construction going on. So I wanted to kind of show you what's going on. Some people might be disappointed if they come down here right now. So let's take a look at it. Because as you will see, there's a lot of construction. And what's happening is it's making the streets really congested because the sidewalks are very narrow. And then the main drag, which is typically open, is very, very crowded. So it's kind of a mess. Our hotel is off one of these side roads here, so it wasn't too bad for us. However, if you're coming down here expecting this to be all nice and pretty right now, it is a mess. The city's still pretty, and if you stay off of Las Ramblas, you'll still get to see the cathedral and be able to enjoy all the great restaurants and the little side streets, which are not under construction. But La Rambla is where there's typically a lot of cafes, a lot of shops, bars, street performers, places that will have tapas and sangria. And it's a very popular little place to go to. But right now, it's very, very crowded. So if you come here right now, expect that it's going to be crowded and congested and not as pretty as it typically is. It looks like this construction may be going on for another 6 months. And as I film this right now, we are looking at the end of October of 2025. So no clue when this might be done. But again, this is La Rambla, and there's theaters, churches, gift shops, and behind me is where the big market is that we went to last night and I filmed. And that big market, I found out, even though Google says it's open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 8:30, it's not. We went this morning and it's closed on Sunday. So even though I was tired with our flight last night, I'm glad I made it to it last night, because otherwise I would have totally missed out. So again, you can see here one side of the street now has car traffic and pedestrian traffic, and this side still has a lot more work to be done. So I would say probably another 6 months or so. If you're coming here right now, expect to see a lot of construction. Well, that is it for our tour of La Rambla. I need to go back to the hotel and wait for the cab. And next stop will be the cruise ship. And I'll see you then. Adios for now. Bye.